Hi, good morning. This is Kelly, and you might be wondering why I'm dressing a little naughty this morning. I'm doing it to prove a point that you can cut out the underwire from your bras and still look hot. The reason most people are still buying the underwire bra is because they think it's sexier, but I'm proving a point that you can easily remove them, and this is the reason why you might want to remove them. When you're holding your cell phone, to get a clear connection, there's all these cell phone towers all over, and you may actually be living too close to them or working too close to one. You may not even know, because this electromagnetic field that comes from these cell phone towers to your phone is invisible, and it can be called dirty energy. And so what's happening is, as the electromagnetic field is going towards your cell phone, it can also be going towards that underwire that was under your bra. And therefore that would be an antenna, and dirty energy would be surrounding your beautiful soft breast tissue and maybe causing cancer. There's not enough research on this to prove this, but I read a study that I concluded related to this idea. There's a Swiss doctor treating a lot of people with brain cancer in Switzerland due to their silver fillings. When they hold their cell phone up to their head, if they're too close to cell phone towers, the silver filling is acting like an antenna, and they're getting a massive amount of dirty energy in their head, and it's growing tumors. So normally you're not going to be exposed to too much of this right now, they say, but what if you're too close to one of these cell phone towers? Then your watch, your metal jewelry, and of course your wire under your bra is going to be a risk for you for this dirty energy. Overexposure to this dirty energy causes, at night while you're sleeping, your lack of ability to create melatonin. The melatonin balances your hormones and keeps you healthy. So with too much exposure, you're going to have trouble creating melatonin as you sleep. And also, you may also just want to remove the wire for another reason. Your lymph node system is your detox system. And they're under your arm, and you want to make sure it's liberated and free to do its job to remove toxins. So you don't want to restrict it with a big wire under your breast. Let's remove the wire. I'll show you how. It'll take a couple of minutes. I'll show you how I removed the wire from this YouTube before I started it. Okay, let's free the wire. So the easiest way is to take a razor blade, and you're going to make a small slit right above the wire. Okay, so now we have the slit with the razor at the top of the bra, so we don't ruin the bra. And now we're going to pull the wire out. There you go. Now it's completely wire free. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like on. Hold on. Thank you for watching. Let's free the wire. Woo! Take care. Have a great day. If this was helpful, please hit like or subscribe and follow me. You never know what I'm going to put on next.